Hello everyone, and welcome today. This is my first time using a face cam. I just got one. And today I will be playing Teardown, and I am in the future. Wait. Whoa, so many cars. Okay, let's...
Don't follow me. Get out of here.
Oh yeah? You're gonna regret saying that. Are you okay? Buddy, wake up! Wake up! What are you made of? Like stone, rock? What are you doing? I don't think it's in a big one. Wait. Oh my god! I can fly! This feels like Star Wars. Ah! Oh! Oh my god, I was crashed. Oh gosh. I just crashed. There's so many different cars I can use. Wait, what happens if Oh, I'm back. Alright, well, time to cause some mayhem to the city. Alright, I have an idea. This is gonna be pretty satisfying. Alright, let's... Oh, what happened? Did we do it? Oh my god, the bus! Wait. If another bus comes from over there, is it gonna hit this one? Alright, well I'm putting this... Right. I'm trying to... Alright, there. Charge fall. Oh! Wait. Ooh, yikes. Oh! I'm playing. Alright, well... Let's drop a piano on a bus. Wait, actually... Wait! It's 7:12! Hey, how do I get in? You know what? There isn't a door, so... Oh! It's a slide door. Alright. Hey, I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna steal your phaser. I'm just gonna...
But it may have messed up my short-term
Here, what do you got
memory.
in here? You know what? Come here. You're a scam. You're a complete scam! Don't worry, she's just knocked out. She'll wake up. I'll steal this. Ugh! Oh. Oops. Let's see.
I don't remember anything.
Uh-oh, I just made a hole in the roof.
Messed up my
Let's throw this at somebody. Yeah!
Get out of here.
I swear I didn't steal that damn car.
Don't follow
accuse
me.
me, you stupid
Get out
rat.
of here.
Hey. Are these robots or something? I can't hurt them.
The brainwashing at Tyro worked out very well. I don't remember anything I did with him. But it may have messed up my short-term memory a bit.
What do y'all
The
do?
brainwashing at Tyro worked out very well.
How did I knock both of you out? Alright, well, time to get another car. It won't work. What happened to the car? Alright, well, let's go and try and... Let's see.
I swear I didn't steal that
Oh,
damn
let's
car.
knock this thing down.
A new life awaits you in the off-world colony. A chance to begin again in a golden land of opportunity and adventure.
And
Let's go to the colony.
Brought to you by the Shimano Jamaican Corporation.
uh-oh.
America.
What? That's so
A
unsatisfying.
new life awaits you in the off-world
It's sort of just like
chance to begin again
moving around the
land of opportunity and adventure. Let's go to the colony.
Don't stare at me.
Alright, well, I gotta find something
I
to
have a
destroy.
boyfriend.
I need to find something to destroy.
Helping America. Hi, sweet. Do you want to have some fun?
Wait, is that a different 712?
Hi, sweet. Do you want to have some fun?
Alright. Oh!
But it may have messed up my short-term.
Let me in. Let me in. Open the door.
Hi, sweet. Do you want to have some fun? Hi, sweet.
Open up.
Do you want to have some fun?
I'm in the kitchen. Oh!
Do you want to have some fun?
That was not a good idea. I think I'm gonna start a fire. Wait, what happens if I did this? Would it start burning? Nothing's really happening. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, crap! Man, these hover cars are dangerous to use sometimes. Wait, what if I hit
brain
somebody
wash.
with the
But
That's
it
not
may
how I
have messed
expected
up my short-term memory a bit.
you. He's
The
gone.
brainwashing
You want to buy some death sticks?
Alright, well... Ooh, a bookstore. I'm here to buy some books. What do you got on sale? Hey, what's back here? Let me in. Alright, you got anything for sale? You don't? Come in. Why can't I move? I'm stuck. Come! Okay, finally. Take it. So you get telling me nothing's on sale.
You want to buy some death sticks? You want to buy some death sticks?
Oh, I just smashed the table.
You want to buy some death sticks? You want to buy some death sticks?
I can't unmove
You want to
you.
buy some death sticks?
Let me destroy the counter.
You want to buy some death sticks?
Hit you in the wall.
Death sticks? You want to buy some death sticks?
Why do you give him so strong? Tell me, why do you get so strong?
I have a boyfriend.
I don't care. I don't care if you have a boyfriend. Ew. What are you selling? Oh, the lights just turned off. I wish I had bigger guns. Let's see, what do I have? Oh, I have a deck cord. I should try it. Wait. Scroll to change explosion strength. Let's do floor. Alright, we're gonna wanna run to explode its cave. Oh my god. Wait, I have an idea.
To the colony.
It's brought to you by the Shimano Jamaican Corporation.
Wait, can this
You want to
destroy?
buy some death sticks?
A new life
I
awaits
want don't know if this could destroy
You
these.
want to buy some death sticks?
Bye, you two. Oh, that hurts. They don't even have a scratch on them still. I gotta start destroying these cars. What do I have? What do I have?
Don't accuse me, you stupid replicant.
Ooh, I haven't tried out this. Oh my god. I'm destroying the city. What the heck is that? What's that?
Steal that damn car. Don't
talk about stealing cars. Wait, can I destroy this thing? With like block? Oh my god, I'm destroying the bridge. I didn't really do that. The city's in ruins. Well, it could still use a bit more destruction. Let's go up and see what we can find. Ooh, let's knock down this thing. This tower. Uh-oh. Starting to raise. I'm trying to make this thing fall. It's hard to do. Right? Come on. Yes? No, are you serious right now? Wait. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What's keeping this thing up? I'm determined to push this thing down. Finally! Go! Fall! Just fall already! I don't want to reach it. Oh, it already fell. Okay, well, I think we've done enough destruction for the city. I think we should go to a new place. Alright, see you guys there. Alright, everyone, I made it home, and now I am going to start destroying my own house. So Well. Oh, let's get a car actually. Oh, this looks like it's good. Come on! Oh, wow. I break my own gate open. Oh, it was already open. Oh! I'm home. Here's my pool. It's nice. Alright. Oh, okay. I forgot that I had the fly mod. Oh, what's over here? Oh god. Don't tell me I got my truck stuck. Alright, well, time to get the blowtorch. Dude, even my blowtorch isn't working. Alright. Oh, you know what? I have an idea. Oh my god, I'm lagging. These pianos are very laggy. Wait, I can press Q to explode them? Oh, I can turn. Oh wow. Oh my, oh gosh. It's raining pianos. Oh my god. I'm lagging badly. Oh, maybe I should call the firefighters. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my game is still super laggy still. Oh my car's not even destroyed yet. Oh look, my beach house is still fine. Never mind. Oh my gosh. I talked too soon. Oh my. Get the fire extinguisher. I gotta try and put the fire out. Oh. Come on. I can't let my house burn down, even though it's already destroyed. Is this even putting out the fire? Oh my. Those pianos really destroyed my house, so. Oh, my garage is still here. Should I change that? I think I'm not using the pianos again. That was a lot of Why would I just break my gate open? Uh-oh. A tree just fell. I went back. Oh yeah. Well, technically I didn't go back to my house. I went back to my private island. Oh my god. Wait, does this car still work? It does. Okay. Oh gosh. I'm gonna drive away. I'm leaving. Alright, well, I'm gonna get to another island. I I'm just gonna go. When I made it to Mexico, I went on a trip, and I think I got to the beach early. I don't see anyone else here. Whoa, Jeep! Tacos! Oh crap. I could drive the taco truck? Yikes. What's this? I'm turning that off because I don't know if that's copyrighted or not. Alright, well I don't want that to turn back on. Was there water in this barrel or something? Wait. Well, there's water in this. Oh no, this isn't water, this is beer. Or something like that. What are these? These look like explosives, but they're not exploding. Oh wow, look at these. They're like I want to make this house fall. Come on. I should be almost done. Am I stuck? Alright. The house should be sinking now. Oh gosh. It almost collapsed on me. Hey, it looks perfectly fine. Let's make a hole in it. It's like in a ship. If there's a hole in the ship, it starts to sink. So maybe we just gotta add some holes. I want to sink. Oh, are these floaties? Oh, I might need these. Oh, how's this one already destroyed? Not a floaty. Did this house sink already? You know what? I'm taking out the katana. It's time. Watch my jiu-jitsu training. Watch my training. I was taught by my master. Master Sensei. Yeah. Uh-oh. I hope no one saw that. I didn't mean to cut that. I'm not cutting it off. Wait, what? You know what? I'm not gonna question. Let's just destroy this house already. Yeah. There it goes. There it goes. That's what I wanted to see. Yes, I wanted to see this house start to fall. Alright, well, let's cut the bottom area off. Oh, I just split that house in half. Oh god, look at the chaos. Uh-oh. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, look at this entire city. I can destroy all this. Oh, okay. Alright. I obviously know what I want to destroy. Oh shoot, I didn't know that I'm able to take fall damage. Come on. I can't open this. Finally. I made it. Okay. Well. Let me think. What do I want to do? Give me a second to think, everyone. I have to do something real quick. Alright, to be continued. Okay. Ooh. That tower looks nice to destroy. Alright, well, let's destroy this tower. Destroy. I can already see it starting to tip over. Uh-oh. It's tipping. Uh-oh, it's tipping. It's not falling yet. It's falling. There it goes. Boom. That was not that satisfying. I wish it was like, I wish it would take down these ones too. Ow. There it goes. There it goes. Yes, I'm destroying. Why am I destroying these things for? Alright, well, time to destroy this. It looks important, so. We gotta cut off all power supply in the city. Oh. Yikes. Come on. Fall over already. Alright, maybe I should. Oh, look what I found. I forgot how to throw things again. Oh, I remember. Fall. Yes! Alright, well that wasn't... Alright, you know what? Desperate times calls for desperate measures. Piano time. Let's turn explosions off because I don't want to deal with that. Wait a second. Oh my god! Come on. I can just shoot the towers down. Oh, they're going flying. The towers are going flying. I'll do one explosive piano. Nice. I just dropped a bunch of pianos everywhere. The pianos will destroy the city. Oh, there's more cars. So. Can I drive one of these, maybe? Don't want this one. If there's a car I don't want, I drop a piano on it. What's keeping the pianos from not being car? There we go. Don't want this one. Oh my god, you know what? Let's just spin the car and go. Oh my god, there's pianos on the floor in the streets. There's pianos everywhere. Oh, a blue truck. This looks nice. Uh-oh. That just into the water. Oh. I just found something I want. I just found. Oops. Oh crap! I didn't mean to do that. Yes. Ooh. Is this a Lamborghini? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, well, I'm not really a good driver on these things. Well, not Lamborghini. It's probably like a Ferrari or something. I don't know what this is. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, I think my car's done. Goodbye. Goodbye again. You know what? Oh my god! Pianos are dangerous these days. Alright, well, let's see. Oh! Construction truck. How did I flip over that easily? Wait. Wait. Yes, I'm making a comeback. Nothing will stop me. I think I started a fire. But the vehicle's on fire. I think. Come on, I think the truck's done. Alright, well. Oh my god, look at this car. It looks crazy. Come on. Turn. You know what, let's get in this house. See what's inside. There's nothing in here. Uh-oh, I think I'm stuck. Well, that band's done. Alright, let's keep going. Ooh, look at this. No, I can ride with this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Fast car. Fast. Oh, look at this. It's the crash. It's where those pianos are. It's that one tower I destroyed with pianos. Alright. Now it's time. The world suffers my pain. Yeah! You know what? Let's turn on an explosion. I will destroy this place. Oh wow, my game's laggy. Oh, wait, is that a cruise ship? I never even saw that. Alright, let's go get on this place. Let's get on the ship. Alright, and oh, I barely made it. I mean, I didn't make. What? What did I just see down there? I saw something and I don't like it. Can I drive this thing? I'm trying to see if I can drive this. Wait. I'm driving it. Come on, turn! I want to hit that other boat. How is that little boat destroying my ship? You know, I have an idea. I'm gonna scoot back, then I'm gonna hit that rock at full speed. Full speed! Ha! Come on. This thing's slow. Yeah, we sit here and wait as we watch the ship slowly get destroyed by the front of it. How is it still driving? Uh-oh, I think I'm sinking. Wait, the boat won't drive anymore. Uh-oh. Is the boat sinking? I don't think it is because I think we're in shallow waters. Alright, let's go and... What's this? Hey, yo! Wow, look, it's so cool. Oh, man. Watch me cruise around this island. Let's hit this rock. Wow, that was not that satisfying. Alright, I think we've done enough damage. Let's just look at all the damage we caused. Oh, wow. The piano's done a lot. Let's go look it over here. Let's go look over here. Man, they're not gonna have power for decades. No. It's gonna take them a long time to rebuild. Oh, okay. Oh, what's this say? It's a sign. Okay, it's a useless sign. You know, time to take out the blowtorch. Alright, well, let's see. Do I have anything else? Wait. I have a spray can? Alright, I'm gonna test this out before I go. Let's change this. What do I want to change it to? Oh, I'm gonna do that. I'll just write VR. That's what I wrote. Alright, let's just go do some things real quick before. I draw the top hat man. Let's see. Wait, you know what? I want to do something real quick. Don't ask why there's orange popsicles and ice cream on here. Alright, well. Remove nose. Oh, look at that. He has a smile now. Let's draw eyebrows. Alright, I think we've caused enough damage for one day. What's over here actually? I know I destroyed this car, but there's like a trailer. Oh, okay. I'm gonna break in that table. I'm able to shake the entire van. A table, more chairs, a wardrobe, or a fridge. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm just gonna make some room in the roof. I'm too tall. I'm too tall for this. I wonder, does this car still work? Oh my god, it does. How is it still working? After what I did to it. Oh, I think it's because the engine's still there. I can see the engine. It's still kind of smoking. Yeah, alright, let's go back over here. Man, my neck is hurting. Come on. Is it? Oh, the vehicle condition's not looking well. Wonder. Wow, destroying one window stops the car from driving. That's crazy. Alright, am I able to like? Is there a way I can like detach this thing? How do I detach this? I want to detach. Wait, you know what? I'll just use this. It's not working. It always works. Okay. You know what? Let me just take this wheel off. Oh, I'm setting the car on fire. I've done it. Why is my screen so blurry? Oh, I guess I've knocked down one of these towers. What if I just cause a fire all over the place? Wait, this house is made out of wood, so if I just... Wait, is it made out of wood? Because it's not, like, burning. Oh, I can't destroy it. Oh. There goes all the trees that I burnt down. Ah. Look at this beautiful city. Hey, is this like an exploder? Does this thing explode? Oh, it's full of water. Cut a hole in it. Alright, well, I'm gonna get out. Wait. I could break the vents open. Alright, well, I think I'm done for today. If you guys want to see more Teardown, comment down below, or I don't know, maybe like the video. It would really help. Or subscribe. Wow, the city is destroyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.